Hi, everyone. I'm Greta, the CEO and co-founder of Acerta. So cars are extremely complex. They have thousands of parts, and all of this complexity is just growing, and this is just mechanically. They're also growing in complexity electronically. They have hundreds of computers and sensors running millions of lines of code. And this growing complexity is becoming very difficult to manage, and so a lot of issues are popping up or defects that are being introduced into cars. So at Acerta, we developed a platform that can leverage vehicle data in order to detect these defects before cars ever leave the factories, as well as help manufacturers deal with this growing complexity. So our platform looks at hundreds of signals at the same time. It looks for patterns and relationships to then automatically detect anomalies and reduce them to just a handful of signals that customers can understand and act on. So the biggest value that we add is that we look through this big pool of untapped data, and we find needles in there that are representative of issues. We've been applying this technology primarily on newly manufactured vehicle systems and cars. So in a typical factory, there are thousands of car components like transmission systems, gearboxes, engine systems being produced. And at the very end of the line, they're going through electrical testing where they're generating a ton of data. So we're using that data from these systems as well as cars to proactively detect defects that can result in recalls or detect problems that can result eventually in warranty costs. And all doing this all through data. And our system is very easy to integrate and offered in the cloud, accessible through APIs. To date, we've had a lot of successful use cases already. In certain use cases and applications in the factories where we're able to detect and predict nearly 60% of potential warranty claims in the future, so reducing warranty claims by nearly 60%. In another case, we're able to automatically, as you can see here, detect problems in the ignition systems and vehicle exhaust system, detecting leaks in oxygen. And we're increasingly applying this technology for remote monitoring of vehicles on the road as well, where we can predict that they're going to have issues in the future and basically proactively inform the manufacturers. We've been working with a number of partners already and are continuing to expand the number of partners that we're looking to partner with and work. We have a very strong team of basically machine learning and data geeks, where we started off at the University of Waterloo and are expanding the team currently already. We're a venture-backed company now as well. So Acerta, we're a dynamic machine learning platform for vehicle data. Thank you.